Hey, welcome back. It's been a while. Today we're gonna change steering wheel cover. I've got a crappy steering wheel cover on at the moment, and I've got one of these. I know some of you won't like the fact that it's orange, but it goes with the theme of my car. This is actually one that you stitch on, and I got it from AliExpress for about £6. So nice and cheap as usual. So I'm going to attempt to put it on and see how it looks. To be honest, it can't be worse than what's on it now. So this is what's currently on it. I decided to change it because it's all red now. But it's blue and it doesn't go with me orange and black sort of theme and white theme that I've got going on. So I think it's just time for a change. So here's the before image. That's how we go stitching. I apologise in advance for the sound quality. I haven't got my mic connected today because the battery is dead on it and I forgot to charge it, so you'll have to bear with me. Hopefully you can hear me properly. Oh, I think there's a bit of stretch in that, so hopefully it'll fit on nice. It's just where we can tuck it into these bits. We'll find out. Well, we keep on looking over and just trying to compare the colour of this and this on the camera to see how close it matches. It looks pretty close, just in person. Yeah, it should go nice. Hopefully you'll like it. Right, so that's the pattern it's making. Oh, can't even see. There we go. It isn't too bad, and it's pulling in nicely, and there's a bit of stretch in it. So yeah, it's not too bad. The only thing when I first started, that's sticking up a little bit. Oh, I'll try and show it afterwards somehow, because the rest of it's going on nicely. I think I might have pulled it too tight when I first started, but now I'm not pulling it so tight, I'm just pulling it so they come together, and it's turned out a lot nicer. Like I said, it's a learning curve, never done this before, but hopefully it looks good anyway. But do a bit and then I'll show you wheel nut 2. Okay, so we're done. One of the threads that was in the thing snapped, so I had to sort of improvise and stitch into the leather for a little bit. Where was that? Here. So that was a bit of a pain. You can see where it snapped there. It looks a bit crap, but you can't really notice it. Other than that, it went pretty well. I think if you don't do it too tight and just do it so it sort of like goes together, but just tight enough to grip the steering wheel underneath as well, that's the way to go. Just trying to pull it too tight, it'll damage it. I did manage to tuck it under these as well, which I was surprised. They did use a little thing just to pry it up a little bit, then tucked it in, but it tucked all the way in. Yeah, and it looks tidy. You can't really tell that it's tucked in, just looks nice and neat. Same down here. The problem that I had with the last bit, it's just a little bit loose here, but you can't really notice. Probably wouldn't have noticed if I didn't point it out. Other than that, it feels quite tight. It feels nice. Yeah, so now steering wheel is matching all my other stuff. Got a few bits on the door and stuff as well. So yeah, try and zoom out a bit. So let me know what you think of it in the comments. I know it's not for everyone, but it goes with my car, with the orange theme. So yeah, let me know what you think of it on my car. And I'll leave a link if I can in the description if anyone does like it, to AliExpress. I'm not an affiliate or nothing, but I'll leave the link. It was only £5.95 or something, but I think it was worth it. It just finishes it off nice. I think I actually really like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope to see you all again soon.